Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today we're going to do, for our Sunday brunch, we're going to do bacon breakfast burritos. And these are going to be a copycat and probably better than Blake's Lotaburger bacon breakfast burrito. Now, Blake's Lotaburger is to New Mexico what In-N-Out is to California. Blake's is predominantly in New Mexico. They have branched out to Arizona. I believe they're over Tucson and Phoenix. They have not gone towards Texas for some reason. I don't know. They'd sell 1 million of them. But I mean, they're so popular in our little town here. We've got 5 of them that I'm pretty sure it's 5. The next towns over each have one, the one on all sides here. And anyway, they are really good. They make really great burgers, and their breakfast burritos are really popular. And anytime somebody's visiting from out of town, they always want to go to Blake's. They want to have the breakfast burritos, and of course they want their burgers. And of course, everything can come with green chilies on them. So for the breakfast burritos today, obviously we're gonna have eggs and bacon. I've got my hash browns ready. If you don't know how I do this, here's a little clip from one of the other videos, but this is how I do it. Okay, so I got my hash browns ready. Now, Blake's uses shredded cheddar. I've got some Colby and Monterey Jack already shredded. I wasn't going to run to the store just for some cheddar because cheese is wonderful anyway. Unless you're my wife, she doesn't like it. And then some extra grande tortillas. Got to be about 12 inches round to make these because they're usually a pretty good size burrito. And of course, we cannot forget the Hatch green chilies. Yeah, okay. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get the bacon on, get the bacon cooked up, and I'm gonna use the bacon grease to get these hash browns started, and then we'll do the eggs and do the build. All right, let's do it. Okay, we're only making 2 breakfast burritos, so I need 4 pieces of bacon. I usually do my bacon as soon as I start up the griddle, but this morning I already just started it. Preheated already, so the bacon shouldn't take too long. You see this one's already starting to shrink up a little bit. Bacon looks done enough to me. I'm just going to move it over to the side. You can make your bacon as crispy as you want. This is about where you want them, so they don't get too crispy. Now we're going to get our hash browns in there. Right in that delicious bacon grease. And we'll let these cook up for a few minutes. Put a little bit of salt on them. And some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of butter to these. Give them a little more flavor. Let them fry up. Looks like our hash browns are ready. Let's move those over. I'm going to turn my flames. I think I'll turn them off so we can do our eggs. See if we can get our eggs done here. Two eggs. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Okay, and then all we're going to do here is we're going to chop these up just like this. I did turn my fire off because I'm trying to keep them so they don't get burned or brown. You want to keep your eggs you know, nice and cooked without them being too overdone. Okay, I'm gonna call this one done. I'm gonna set it on a plate for right now. Right, got that one ready. Set on our plate. Okay, so for our tortillas, to heat them up, I could throw them on the Blackstone to heat them up. I like mine heated up over flame, and that's where I'm going to use my side burner on my Blackstone. Let's get this started, just like that. And then I'm going to put my tortillas on here. First thing we're going to do is put down the egg. Put down our egg about right there. We're going to get our 2 strips of bacon in there. Okay. Then we're going to get our hash browns in there. I'll put a little more in mine. My wife's not real big on potatoes in her burritos. Okay. Then we're going to get the cheese on there. Of course, I like lots of cheese, so I'll mac on the cheese on mine. And last but not least, green chili. Okay. Don't be shy with it either. Okay. Right about there. And we're just going to roll it up. Okay. And there you have it. Blake's Bacon Burrito. See that again? Okay. Egg, bacon, potato. My wife's not big on cheese, like I said, so but we'll put a little bit. She does like a little bit. Get a little bit of cheese. That's about all she can handle. And she does like green chilies as well. She is from here, so there you go. All right. Number of ways you can wrap burritos. We'll wrap this one like this. And there we go. Blake's Bacon Burrito. There you go. Blake's Lotaburger Burrito. Probably a little better than Blake's. Got my burrito right here. Take a bite for you. I wanted to get into the egg and bacon. The hash browns, of course, you know, most of it's all tortilla on this end. Just tear off that part. Now Blake's are this size. They don't skimp on their breakfast burritos. If you've ever seen McDonald's breakfast burritos, I mean, compared to these, they look like taquitos. Anyway, that's my version of Blake's Lotaburger Bacon Burrito. They make a bacon breakfast burrito. They make a, and you can add sausage. You can have bacon, sausage, and egg. They're outstanding. Like I said, everybody wants them when they visit. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're still here, hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And we'll see you on the next video.